Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is elevation. It's time to skyrocket. It's time for the next level. Whatever your gift is, I've been telling you, superstar, it's time for you to show up and show out into your glory. Well, this is your moment. This is your time. Elevate, elevate, elevate. I need you to be the solar system beyond the stratosphere with a ridiculous amount of faith and courage and confidence in yourself, because your blessing is going to be massive. Make sure you put in the work and do not limit your possibilities. Max out your possibilities by being the greatest version of yourself. I free myself from fear and I trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to beauty inside and around me. I use spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise. I rise above all doubt. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.